Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing a King Charles 1 ounce Gold Britannia from the Royal Mint. So this has finally arrived. I ordered a 1 ounce King Charles Britannia from the Royal Mint. I'm extremely excited. So let's just get straight to it and start with the unboxing. I want to say a big thank you for supporting my latest video where it was 20 minutes long. I got over 65 comments on there from all of you guys saying that you watched till the end and you actually loved the more relaxed style of format. So a big thank you for all of my loyal subscribers and new watchers for supporting me in such a fantastic way. I really appreciate it. So I have taken your advice on board. I'm going to be adding bloopers to my future videos, and I'm going to be doing multiple different versions of videos, some edited and some more relaxed with very minimal editing. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so I've just removed the invoice because it did have my address on there, so obviously I had to take that out. So here we go, let's do the unboxing. I'm so excited. This is my biggest gold purchase I've ever done. I've actually ordered some more bits in this order, but I'm going to be doing a separate unboxing so you guys can get multiple videos of different unboxings. I don't just want to put it all in one video. So here we go, let's take it out. Oh, wow. This is crazy. I'm actually so excited. This is a big deal for me. This is without a doubt the biggest purchase I've ever done. This box order actually cost me an extortionate amount of money. I want you to comment below how much you think this order was, and I'll let you know at the end of the video. Obviously there was other items in there which I'll be doing in different unboxings, so let's see what we've got. Here we go. Slide it out. Sheesh! Oh my god, I am so excited. This is my very first gold 1 ounce piece. All of my gold has actually been fractional gold. Wow. Well, first impression, I've got to say, is the weight. You can notice it straight away. And we'll turn it over because it is, in fact, a King Charles 1 ounce Gold Britannia. Wow, it's a beautiful piece. Now, I was considering, shall I take the package off the top, the protection transport cover? And do you know what? I'm going to do it because I want you guys to be able to see this coin in all of its beauty. So let's do it. It's here to be enjoyed, isn't it? So let's take this off. I'm going to look after it anyway. Let's go. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Can you believe it? This is amazing. And as I said, this is my very first ever gold piece that isn't fractional gold. All of my gold over the last 3 years have been fractional gold investments, and I finally decided to bite the bullet and go for the big daddy. So here it is, a 1 ounce King Charles III Gold Britannia, and I bought this actually direct from the Royal Mint. I could have definitely got it a lot cheaper elsewhere. There was other places like Tavex and Shards. Some places were almost £100 cheaper. Now, the reason I paid this huge premium and the Royal Mint's slightly overpriced version of this gold compared to everyone else was because I actually wanted to get it in this blister card, and I thought it would be much nicer for me to store. It makes it a lot easier to authenticate, makes it easier for it to not get lost. Not that I'm particularly planning on losing it, but you know, if I've got a single coin capsule, maybe it could get dropped, whereas if I place this card somewhere, it's going to be much easier to find. And yeah, I just wanted the fact that it was such an expensive, large, precious metal. I didn't want to cheap out and just go for a capsule. I thought if I'm going to do it, I'm going to pay a little bit more and just get the big, you know, card blister pack that comes with it. I did actually look on YouTube and I tried to find some unboxings with it in this blister card, but I could not find a single one with it in a blister pack. I don't know why. So this could potentially be the very first 1 ounce King Charles III Gold Britannia on YouTube where it's in a blister pack. So that'd be interesting to see if it has a good response on the old YouTube algorithm, because I searched for it and I couldn't find any. So maybe there's other people out there who are wanting to buy this 1 ounce King Charles Britannia in the blister card, but they had no option to see what it really looked like. So hopefully this video is here to help you. If it's you want a comparison size, you know, it's in my hand here. It's actually it's about what I expected. The weight, you know, is quite apparent because it is 1 ounce, and that's just over 31 grams in troy ounces with precious metals. But let's take a closer look. Wow, this is amazing, utterly amazing. As you can see, you've got the padlock there, just moving to the trident. There you go. Wow, what a beautiful piece. I am very, very pleased with this. I'm going to look after this very, very well, of course. I'm going to try my best not to let the packaging get scratched. I really wanted to take the film off because, you know, as a content creator, it's more valuable to me taking that film off to get good content for you guys than leaving it on. But let me know in the comments what you think. I think the King Charles, you know, there was a lot of stigma when his coin, his image first came out. I believe it was released first on a 1 ounce silver Britannia proof coin, and then it eventually got released onto the 1 ounce, you know, gold Britannias and the silver Britannias and the 1/4 ounce gold and so on. And there was a little bit of a stigma, people saying they weren't particularly a fan of the artistic portrait of him. But I personally think it's cool. I would like to see him with a crown on, you know. I think that would just be quite cool to have a Britannia with an actual crown on the king. But I know he's not even been coronated yet as technically the king. So that, you know, not that it's going to happen anyway, because I know the 1 ounce Britannia with the Queen on didn't have a crown on. But yeah, overall, I'm absolutely ecstatic. I'm pleased I got it in the blister card because it just keeps it secure, helps me authenticate it. And like I said, it was just my personal preference. I don't think it's a wrong decision to get it in just a capsule. I was very, very close to getting it in a capsule, actually. I was on the fence. I wasn't quite sure. And I spoke to a couple of my investing friends and other content creators, just asking for some advice whether they think I should get it in the blister card or capsule. But really, I knew I already had my heart set on what I wanted, and that was for it to be in a blister card. So this is a very, very beautiful piece that I'm pleased to add towards my collection. If you're thinking about buying this, I would recommend it, but I would say if you're more caring about getting it for cheaper prices, go for just the capsule, because really the card is just, you know, the gold is only worth its own weight in gold, really. The card is just something that they add on to make it prettier and, you know, and more glorified. And it does give it authentication when you come to sell it. And yeah, it's definitely secure. I like the fact that, you know, it's solid. This capsule is solid. It's not like a thin plastic. It's just like, the best way I could describe it would be as if it's in its own capsule and then they've just circled it in a blister card. So it's not like it's a soft material just because it's in a blister card. It's completely solid. You can hear that. So no, there's no damage on that. There's going to be no one's pushing anything on that. So yeah, a very beautiful coin. I love it a lot. I'd love to know what you guys think. I've got more unboxings coming, so stay tuned. But I hope you've enjoyed this episode. You're going to be seeing this a lot more in the precious metals content. So thank you very much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. To watch another unboxing on future investments, click the link now.